Hi everyone, my name is Dylan Lockwood. I am an editor at Zprime, and today I wanted to walk you through our new interactive infographic, Network Trends for Utility and City Infrastructure Modernization. Zprime and Itron surveyed 150 employees at utilities with distribution networks as well as municipalities. If you're interested in the demographics, they're at the bottom of the infographic. But up top here, you'll see some key research findings along with the contextual background of the survey. But for our purposes today, I'm going to show you how to best view the data that this infographic contains. Now, below the key findings, we have an image of a city. We can zoom in and out with these buttons in the top right to get a view of our city. Here's a pro tip. You can hold Control and then scroll on the mouse wheel to zoom in and out as well. The color-coded symbols on the city link to their corresponding sections in the infographic. Red keys indicate key drivers in modernization, for example, customer expectations, integrating DERs, improving cybersecurity, that sort of thing. The yellow Wi-Fi symbols indicate communications network and connected devices. The teal gears represent challenges to network modernization, and the blue power lines indicate the next decade of utility and city communications network modernization. So let's click on one of these buttons. Let's go with public cellular carrier here. So as you can see, it's taken us to the collapsed series of data sets in the Communications Network and Connected Devices section. Each section in the infographic has a key takeaway as well as several charts. Let's just click on one. So I think this is one of the most important charts in terms of pulse of the industry, at least in regards to this infographic. So we have deployment status of applications here. This chart is pretty big, lots and lots of data points to pick through. If we want to narrow down our data points, we can get a more precise picture by clicking off some of these options up here. So let's say that we're not interested in people's plans. We just want to see what's deployed. So we click off plans for development, 3 years, 5 years, and no plans. So now we have only the results of people who have sensors deployed. The bars have filled in the space, but they are still proportionally the same. You can isolate certain data sets by mousing over them or by hovering over them up here. We can also sort our responses by the utility versus municipality demographics. As you can see, very quickly changes the makeup of survey responses. So there's a lot of data to parse through here, but you can make it as comparative as you want, utilizing the options and demographics that you want. Now, you can also just scroll back up to get to the city, and if you don't want to bother clicking on the icons and whatnot, then you can just start here with section 1 key drivers in modernization and work your way down through all the charts. And don't forget, you can always return to the beginning of the infographic by clicking back to top. And that, friends, is the long and the short of it. We hope you enjoy diving into this data. Thank you and have a great day.